in WhatsApp also, na?
Yes.
Open that one and share screen.
The screen sharing is disabled.
Now it will share. Fine. So now today's topic is all about logical functions. So what do you mean by the logical functions? Logical functions is basically yeah. Logical functions is basically means conditions. Okay. So just let me give one simple example for understanding this logical functions. In school and colleges, we have two results, right? Either we will pass, otherwise we will fail. So in this logical function, what I'm saying that here also you have two results. Either you can pass, otherwise you will fail, right? These are the two options. At the same time, more emphasis on this pass. We want to pass, and for getting this pass rank, their marks should be greater than something like number greater than 33. Their marks should be greater than 33. So this I have given a condition that if your marks is greater than 33, we will pass you, otherwise fail. Okay, so this is my full condition. But now this condition I have to provide in my Excel mode. How we can do this? This we have to try. So first of all, Dhruvi, you just carry out 10% of the basic salary. In simple way, just you have to give me 10% of your basic salary. Start with this. Equal basic salary. No, you are going to select basic salary 5,700. Equal, first of all, equal. In DA column, na, this backspace, this one. Press Ctrl Z. Yeah. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I am changing this. Approve this one. Yeah. Now see, you have to get out 10% of your basic salary in this DA column. Okay, I'm typing here 5,700. Now do here. Equal. You are going to select this 5,700, which is your basic salary. Multiply 10%. Enter, and now you will drag it. See. Now see, this is the option of basic salary is 10% of, like, so this is DA. Now you see, I have only 10 employees. So that's why I am giving this duty allowance to each employee, right? We are providing 10% to each employee. But in the practical level, it is not like it is impossible to give each employee DA 10%, means same rate. So for this, what we can do, suppose if my basic salary, if it is greater than 25,000, if it is greater than 25,000, so I will provide 10% of basic, otherwise zero. This is my condition, that if my basic salary is greater than 25,000, I will provide 10% of basic, otherwise zero. So this we have to do in this cell. Start with this equal if. So logical functions is basically meant for if. So use equal if formula. Tab button. In if formula, now first of all, it will ask you for the logical test. What do you mean by logical test? Condition. And your condition is that your basic salary should be greater than 25,000. So for this basic salary, now you are going to select this 5,700. Click on it. 5,700. Greater than to how much? 25,000. Comma. So if your basic salary is greater than 25,000, so there will be 10% of basic. So again, select your basic salary. Multiply 10%. Means if your basic salary is greater than 25,000, then 10% of basic, comma. Otherwise, no, there is one more field. Na? If someone basic salary is less than, then 0 only. 0, enter. Now you will drag it. See, it's done. So if your basic salary is greater than, now you can see all the amount, it is less than 25,000. So that's why they are getting 0. This is also a counting method. So when I go to this general tab and move it into general, na, so automatically it will give you 0. So if your basic salary is less than 25,000, it will provide you 0. And if it is greater than, so it will provide you 10% of basic. Nitaji, are you getting the topic of this logical functions, why we are using?
Yes.
Now this one you have to try, this HRA. In HRA, my condition is if your basic salary is less than 25,000, so we'll provide 5% of basic. Otherwise 0. Just try this one. In HRA cell. Start with if. Equal if. Logical test, which means your condition that your basic salary should be greater than 25,000. Sorry, less than. It is less than 25,000. If it is less than 25,000, comma, then 5% of basic. Yeah, 5 basic salaries, 5%.
बस अब चाय के लिए मंगा रही हूँ, के लिए मंगा दूँ।
5%, no? So 5% symbol, otherwise 0. Good.
Then
0, no?
0.
If basic salary is greater than, so we'll provide 0. Enter and now you will try. See, so if your basic salary is greater than 25,000, then only they are getting 0. Otherwise, they are providing 5% of basic. This is one term. Now, next Ruby, you will try in MA. I'm just giving some alpha values also. We are not giving anything according to the basic salary. We are just providing something according to department also. Suppose in medical allowance, if accounts department is there, so we'll give 1,000 rupees. Otherwise, only 500 rupees. So if accounts department, this is accounts department, so there should be a value of 1,000 rupees, otherwise only 500 rupees. Just try this one. Alpha value is always equal. It cannot be greater than or less than, it always equal. So after selecting, equal to what? Accounts. And accounts you have to type in inverted commas. Comma. If it is, then your basic 1,000 rupees. I am not taking this 1,000 from your basic salary, just you will type 1,000 comma 500. Enter and now you will drag it. So now you will see if your department is accounts, then only you will get 1,000 rupees, otherwise you will get 500. Okay, so this is the option. Now, Neetajit, it's your turn. Now you will try with house. As you see in this now, I have given one alpha value, accounts department. But in the house column, I'm making everything in alpha mode. If HR department is there, so there should be a yes, otherwise no. HR department, then yes should be there, otherwise no. Just try this here in house column. And HR department should be in inverted commas. If it is, so there should be a yes. You will put comma, and yes also you have to type in inverted commas. Because it is a alpha value. Now all alpha values has to be put in inverted commas. Comma, otherwise no. Now you will drag it. So automatically the yes will shift if HR department is there, and if HR department is not there, so it will give you no. Press enter and drag. Now see, correct? See, if HR department it is there na, in the second row, so automatically it is giving you yes in here only. And in accounts department, it is providing no. And TA, I'm just giving a very simple way. Just you have to take out the 5% of basic salary. Only 5% of basic salary, no condition. And when we are saying that we have to take out the 5% of basic salary, so is there any condition in this? Any condition? Yeah, Dhruvi, any condition is there in 5% of basic salary? Hello?